Hello and very warm welcome to my tech studio. In today's video tutorial, you will learn conditional formatting. What is conditional formatting and what are different rules of conditional formatting? Today, you are going to learn the first rule of conditional formatting, that is highlighting different cells. And how you can highlight different cell, this depends on the values or entries in the cell, or you give them some condition. So the first condition is that of greater than. When you want to highlight different cells that contain a value or entry greater than that you are specifying. So let's learn. Here you can see on this sheet I have different values in a column. Now I want to highlight different values that are greater than a specific value. In the Home tab, we have the option of conditional formatting. So first, select the cell, then go to the Home tab. Under the Home tab, in the Style section, you have conditional formatting. In the conditional formatting, the first option is Highlight Cell Rules. Now, click on Highlight Cell Rules. We have different options. The first option is that of greater than. Click on greater than and then put the value. For example, I put 1000 and now press the OK. Now you can see the cell that contain values greater than 1000 are highlighted. Now if you want these values to be highlighted in different style or color or different font, you can do it. Select the cell, go to the Home tab. In the Home tab, in the Style section, click on Conditional Formatting. Then click on Highlight Cell Rules. Then click on Greater Than. Now insert or type the value. This time, I want to highlight the cell that contain values greater than 2000. But I want a different style. There are some styles you can see. Yellow fill with dark yellow text, green fill with dark green text, and so on. If you want to design your own format, then go to the custom format. You can see the number format, then font, border, and fill. So you can edit this setting. I want these to be filled with yellow color. And you can select the font here. I want red color font for the values greater than 2000. I want these to be italic and bold. Then click on OK. Click OK here and you can see all the values that are greater than 2000 are highlighted with the yellow fill and red text color. So this is how you can highlight different cell that contain the value greater than you specify. Thanks for watching. Take care and goodbye.